Number seven, I want to congratulate two of our colleagues, David Kwong Soo Kim and Becca Nyberg. They're going to be immigration judges. They're starting immigration judge school today, Monday, September 26th. Great to have private practice attorneys go behind the bench. And it's a tricky thing because as private attorneys, they see the side we're on, so they're going to view things. They might be more harsh. I always say that if I was a USCIS immigration officer adjudicator at USCIS field office, I would be able to deny like 99.9 cases. Like I could just find issues with it if I wanted to. So we're gonna see how that all works out. But let's see. But congratulations on them. Great for them to the private bar. So many times people become judges or ICE attorneys that go there. Or a lot of times like there's government attorneys from JAG officers out of the military that become immigration judges. Immigration is not something you just want to jump into like that. But it's good, especially David. I know personally, like this guy's like one of the best immigration removal defense attorneys out there. It's a huge loss to the private bar, to clients, to potential clients. But this guy was hardcore. He talks about he had a heart attack. He was working himself to death on this, and he adjusted his lifestyle. But he was a hardcore. He knew the rules and the regulations, the statute, and the cases. He was really into it. Which, you know me, I love this kind of stuff. And I got to give kudos to him. Going to immigration court, studying on that stuff is next level kind of study, which I don't have the energy to have. I'll stick with the policy manual and the foreign affairs manual to go into removal. I'll leave that to him and Kevin A. Gregg and stuff who go really hardcore into removal defense, which requires a lot more study. But God bless him, and as well as Becca Nyberg and the rest of colleagues, maybe ICE attorneys. It's an important role in it, and I hope the weight of that role and the importance of it and the decisions you're making with people's lives bear on your hearts, and you make the best decisions possible. And the law is the law; you got to abide by what the law is. But wish the best for all of you. God bless, and hope you're able to help the global community.